What's up, guys? Back to another episode. Team Revive here. Joey speaking. So today we are taking out the sound deadening of my E46 with some dry ice. We're gonna shave my engine bay a little bit, try to get the engine bay looking all clean and crispy, ready for paint. I'm not gonna put these in yet, but my seats came in, so that's cool. Prisma Ultras. Those are sweet. They got this awesome gold flip background. That looks pretty cool. Yep. So we're gonna get cracking on that and try to get some progress done on this thing. Dude, we really needed like double the amount.
Which is fucking $340.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, because that right there, that's $175 worth of dry ice. And we still have to get the side trans tunnel off the back seats went, and somehow up there. Okay, first side done. Got this big old fucking wall that was right here out. Looks pretty ugly. I'm gonna take the flapper disc to it though. So, and then next we have this little ugly bucket type thing that's in here.
Can I turn it over?
Yeah, turn it over.
All right.
All right, so it's been about an hour for the dry ice that has been on the sound deadening. We're gonna hit it with the hammer and see if the tale is true. That's crazy.
That's actually insane.
It comes right off. You think if we just like scoop all of it, like all the rest of the fucking scraps plus with the ice and then put it in the back, it'll work?
Yeah.
Just reuse that shit?
We'll just pick it up with our bare hands.
Yeah. All right, cool. We're gonna do that shit. We only bought 40 pounds and it was not enough, so yeah, gonna try to reuse that. Oh yeah, got it all stacked back there. Gonna get that Gianni out, huh? Wingstop intervention.
Wingstop. Halftime break, because you know today's a Super Bowl.
Oh,
we out here
it
putting
is.
in that work, boy.
Fuck yeah.
My leg, dude, I can't.
Did you almost just die?
I don't know what's been going on with my calf recently.
Oh fuck, dude, too much dancing. Too much dancing at the recent Friday night party.
The Friday night party.
It's almost all out. Oh, Brandon, stay still. Don't fucking move, dude. Oh.
It doesn't really even need to be touching it. It just needs to be close enough to like get it hella cold.
Oh, really? No way.
Yeah, it wasn't touching any of this. And look, it all came off.
Hey, you're hella good with the vacuum.
I used to own actually a mobile detailing business. So,
Swear. Are you serious?
Yeah.
What was it called?
BJ's mobile detailing. Dude, look at this shit.
I know.
We could get a little sanding, you know, get all the little extra, get another bag, get all this little shit here. It's gonna be sick.
Should we do, okay, so we got spray paint or we got real paint? Which one should we do?
6.5 hours later.
Honestly, either or. Whatever's cheaper.
Can we shout out Turbo Can right now?
Dude, Turbo Can, please sponsor me.
Official
Or
sponsor?
Rust-Oleum. Amazing.
Should he be sponsored
Yeah,
by Turbo Can?
I think I should.
Now, Turbo Can, if Turbo Can made multiple colors, that's what we would do. But
Yeah.
they only make white and black, so.
Yeah.
And then I'm all done. Got all mine grinded up. Bam, bam. Took those ugly boxes out.
So,
He was saying was we finished up with the engine bay, shaved it up, made it look nice and clean, and we got the sound deadening out. You guys already know that shit. Yep, we ate some bomb ass Wingstop, thanks to Maddie, sponsored by. And then that's pretty much it. We didn't get the sunroof in because the sunroof is the wrong one. I don't know what happened. I bought it for a coupe, E46. Just doesn't fit. So then the seats, I can't put anything in yet because we're gonna paint the interior and the engine bay.
yep.
So after we paint that, then we could throw the
Then we can
interior.
start butting everything together.
Yep, and then throw in the motor.
Catch you in the next one.